You've probably heard it everywhere. Buy Bitcoin. It's the buzzword of the decade, echoing from every corner of the internet and splashed across billboards. It feels like everyone is talking about it, and maybe you're starting to wonder if you're missing out. The pressure to join in can be overwhelming, especially when it seems like everyone else is already on board and making money. But here's the thing, not everyone should buy Bitcoin. Just because it's popular doesn't mean it's right for you. There's more to this story than hype and headlines. My goal isn't to sell you on Bitcoin, but to help you make the best decision for yourself, not just follow the crowd. Do you actually understand what Bitcoin is? Not just the price, but why it exists and how it works. What makes it different from regular money? Bitcoin isn't just a digital coin, it's a new way of thinking about money, trust, and ownership. It's built on blockchain, a technology changing industries far beyond finance. Can you handle the ride? Bitcoin's price swings are legendary. If the thought of losing half your money makes your stomach drop, maybe it's not for you. There's no shame in wanting stability. It means you know your limits, and that's a strength. Are you buying because you believe in the future of digital currencies, or just because you feel pressured by the hype? If you're hoping for quick, safe profits, or if losing even a little would set you back, Bitcoin might not be the right move for you right now. The most important decision isn't when to buy, it's whether you're ready. Are you prepared to do the research, to ride out the storms, and to accept the possibility of loss? Bitcoin isn't magic, it's not a golden ticket or a shortcut to wealth. It's a tool, and it only works if you use it wisely. So before you jump in, take a breath. Give yourself permission to pause, to think, and to learn. There's no rush. Bitcoin will still be here tomorrow. The best investment you can make is in your own understanding and peace of mind. Join us and reach your next crypto level.